Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PNG image to JPG in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start it. At first open your Photoshop document. In this video I will show. Now we can see, now going to the file menu option, then click for open option. Now we find your PNG picture. Now you can see, now select from PNG picture, then click for open. Now you can see, open the PNG picture. This picture save from JPG. Now going to the file menu option, then click for save as option. Now we show the new interface. Now click from format menu option, then we select from JPG. Now select from save. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see, now we show the file. Open the file. Now select from that it's. Now you can see PNG image to JPG in Adobe Photoshop is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.